Find the sum of the AP. Solution. We have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dot dot dot. We have plus 98 plus 100. Now what we have here is an arithmetic series. This is a series. Now the first term of this series here is A. First term, which is T1 equals to A, and that's equals to 2. And the last time, which is Tn, the last time L, is equals to what? 100. Now I want to find the sum of the AP. We need to find the sum of the AP. So for us to find the sum of the AP, the first thing we need to do, we also need to get the number of terms in this AP. We need to know the number of terms in the AP. Now from this question, we can determine the common difference. What will be the common difference? We know that D will be equals to what? T2 minus T1. And what is T2? That is 4. Then T1, that's 2. 4 minus 2, we have 2. So in this case, the last time is A plus N minus 1 D. Now, what is L? L equals to 100. Then A is what? 2, we substitute. N minus 1. Then what is D? D is 2 also. A is 2 and D is also 2. So in this case, we are going to expand the bracket. Expanding the bracket, we have 2 plus 2 times n, we have 2n. 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2. Now, we need to collect the like terms. We have 100 equals to, that is 2 minus 2, then plus 2n. 2 minus 2, that's 0. So, we have here 100 equals to 2n. From here, we need to divide both sides by 2 in order to get the value of n. Dividing both sides by 2, we have 100 divided by 2 equals to 2n divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Now, we have n equals to 50. It means that the number of terms in this series is 50. Now, since we know the value of n to be equals to 50, now we want to find the sum of the AP. So, sum of the AP, x, which is equals to, we can write this as xn equals to n over 2 into A plus L. Now, we know n to be equals to what? 50. We substitute. 50 divided by 2. Then what is A? First term. 2. What is the last term? The last term here is 100. So what are we going to do from here? Now, from this point, we can simplify further. This 50 over 2, then times, what do we have here? This is 102. So 102 divided by 2. What are we going to have? 2 here 1, 2 here will give us what? This will give us 51. So in this case, we now have 50 times 51. What would that give us? 50 times 51, we are going to have 0 at the back. Then 5 times 1, we have 5. While 5 times 5, we have 25. So this will give us 2,550. And this represents x50 because n equals to 50. We can also use the second method to determine the sum of the AP, method 2, which is xn equals to what? N over 2. Method 2 represents the second formula. Don't forget. Second formula. While the method 1 is the first formula, which is n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Now, what is the value of n? N is 50. So we have 50 over 2 into what? 2a. What is a? A equals to 2. Then we substitute. Plus, what is n? N is 50 from here. So we have x50 here. Then minus 1 times, what is the common difference? The common difference is d, which is what? 2 also. So in this case, this is 25 times 2 times 2, that is 4. Then plus 50 minus 1, that is 49. So we have 49 times 2 here. So this will give us 25 into bracket 4 plus, what are we going to have? 49 times 2 will give us 98. That's 98. Then from here we have 25 times 98 plus 4, that will give us 102. That's 102. X50. And 102 times 25 will give us 2,550. So that is the sum of the AP. Thank you.